Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. Happy hump day to you. It is Wednesday. It's the 6th today. Happy May 6th. Woohoo, May 6th. Hey, this video is about high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing. And this is like how to earn like $1,000 from one click. So, I've been promoting another product that's launching, and I'm not stopping promoting that. I just wanted to get back to a lot of people sent me some emails saying, "Hey, Glenn, that's great about selling an automated marketing system, but man, I just want to do affiliate marketing. I just want to make some money on just straight programs." You're going to make a lot of money on that program, guys. Don't discount that program. It's a great program. But if you want to just learn how to make high ticket, I'll show you exactly how I do it. And at the end, stick around to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how I go buy traffic, and I'll show you exactly what I do, and you could do the exact same thing. And when I do it, every time I do it, consistently for the last probably 15 times I've done it, I've gotten sales. Just so you know. So I'm just going to show you at the end of this video exactly what I do. All right. So if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and go, yes, Glenn, woohoo, notification, all that stuff. Okay. So what do I mean by high ticket affiliate marketing? What is high ticket affiliate marketing? Well, high ticket affiliate marketing is just selling a larger program or a higher ticket price thing. It's like, so maybe you're going to sell like a Tony Robbins masterclass or something like that, like a $10,000 or something like that, and you're going to make a commission on that, which will be quite a big commission. Now, in order to get that person to buy that, you have to have quite a few series of things set up in place, and you could do it yourself with a lot of trial and error, or you can just have kind of professionals set up that sales funnel to move someone from maybe a low cost, like maybe they buy an ebook or they buy a low cost course, and it moves them through a sales funnel to funnel them into purchasing a larger priced item. That's basically the principle about it. Now, like I said, you could do it yourself. You could do all the marketing yourself. You could write the campaigns and all that kind of stuff. But why bother? If someone's already done it and done all the testing for you, like thousands and thousands of hours of testing, has put a ton of money into it. Let me show you something. I'll show you my screen here. So one of the best promoting products that I love to promote because it's such a game changer for so many people, and it has high ticket affiliate products within it, which is something called a 15-day online business builder challenge. And what that does, it really promotes people. It basically teaches them how to kind of navigate the whole 10,000 foot view of marketing, and how to put it all together, especially if you're branding yourself as a marketer, right? Especially if you're going to be the one that, like, you're like, okay, Glenn, I want to be an affiliate marketer. I want to be one of those guys that's making thousands of dollars every day. I want to change my life. Well, if you want to do that, you need to learn from the best guys. You either bang your head against the wall, like so many marketers do. Like, let me jump back on here. So many marketers do, day after day after day. They bang their head against the wall trying to do something, thinking that they're smarter than other people, thinking they're going to game a system, getting sucked into a lot of programs that say how easy it is. I'm telling you, affiliate marketing is not that easy. It takes time, it takes patience, especially if you're going after a high ticket niche, right? You need to have patience. You have to have a true belief in you have to have true belief in the system in order for it to work. If you don't have that belief, if you're just like, well, I'll try it and see what happens, it's not going to happen. Like, you got to change that mindset. It's kind of like, well, I'll get on a bike and I'll see if I can ride it, but I'm not going to try. You know what I mean? Like, it's like, no, you have to go, I'm going to ride that bike. I'm going to run that marathon. I'm going to do that 10K. Whatever it takes to get there, I'm going to do it. Okay, so let's make the analogy of running a 10K. Well, what do you need to do? You need to get out there and run, guys. You're not going to get up off the couch one day and go run a 10K. Well, you could. You might drop dead from a heart attack as well. No, you're going to start out slow. You're going to do that walk dash kind of run stuff. You're going to start running 3 days a week. Maybe if you're really out of shape, you're going to start on the treadmill, and just to be able to maintain 15 and 20-minute spurts of activity without completely killing yourself. So you're going to start doing all this kind of stuff. It's the exact same thing with affiliate marketing, guys. Same thing. You need to start out. You need to get trained. You need to know that you're doing the right exercises so that you can, when it's time, when you've learned enough, you can then go, yes, I'm ready to throw, let's put a lot of traffic at this funnel that I have, or the perfect thing that I have, in order to make the sale. Make sense? If that makes sense, comment below if you like that analogy. I made a really good analogy the other day, just a side note. So someone, and if you want to fast forward this part, I'm going to get a tiny bit political, just a tiny bit. I see a lot of people out there on social media just spouting total BS about, from its conspiracy to the highest degree of all this pandemic stuff. Guys, it's a pandemic. Go back and do some research on the Spanish flu. The reason why people are going to get it and people are going to die, no one is denying that. Why we're trying to do all that we can to slow the progress of this virus is so that it doesn't overburden our hospitals all at once, where we can crash and have a way bigger flurry of diseases, right? From too many people dying at one time or whatever. So if you slow the course of the pandemic, because it's going to happen anyways, you slow it down. That way, when our health systems around the world can handle it. So there's people that are spouting off that they've removed their liberty and all this crap. It's like, this is the analogy I made. If you go to a grocery store, if you're a healthy person, you probably shop around the outside of that grocery store, right? If you're not a healthy person, you probably shop on the inside. The inside is where all the junk is. The outside is where mostly dairy, fresh produce, fresh meat, that's where the stuff is. Yes, inside there's some staple stuff, some pastas and a couple canned things like that. But for the most part, you shop on the outside if you're a healthy person, because you're shopping fresh. You're not buying processed food. But a bunch of healthy people don't go running into the middle aisles telling all those unhealthy people, no, don't buy it. It's a conspiracy. They're selling you this crap. No, you just go, hopefully they're going to look out and they're going to go, how can I be healthier? And so the people that are buying into all these things, it's like we don't need to, we just, hopefully they're going to come to their own terms about it. Anyways, that's enough. I don't want to get political, but I don't know why I went on that. I saw another Facebook notification of people going crazy on it. Okay, so getting back to doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Like I said, you could fast forward that last part. Hopefully, I'll put a note in, skip the rant in the middle of this. And when I say in my title, earn $1,000 from one click, you can easily do that. Okay, now I said I would get into buying a solo. I'm going to show you how quick it is to do it in like 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go to one of my favorite sellers. I'll put the link below and put it in here. Let me share my screen. Okay. There we go. All right. So there's a program called Udemy. It is an affiliate program. I recommend using my link below. I appreciate it. You don't make a lot of money from it. You get like a small percentage of the solo, because most of the money goes to the solo ad seller. So I'm going to go in here. I set up my account. I created an ad text right over here, right? The one I'm going to be promoting is, I'm going to promote this one, low cost blueprint to $100 each day. This is some copy. If you want this copy, all you need to do is message me. I will send you this copy. You could send this exact same tag. I put a link in here. This link right here is actually, I've got a tracker on it. You'll see right over here. I'm using this tracker. It's called ClickMagick. If you want to use it, you can. You don't have to. I recommend doing it, but that's what I use for it. Okay, so if you want, I'll put a link to ClickMagick as well. So going back, so that link's in there. That's saved. That's my thing. So then I'm going to go over to this link here, find sellers. And I was just looking at this earlier before I started my video, and I've got this set for Maximum price 50 cents. So I'm going to be paying 50 cents a click. I'm looking for people that at least got 10% got sales in their ratings. The niche is marketing, so you could change this to any niche, but I'm going to do marketing. I want to sort by sales, people that got sales. I want ratings 0 plus. I didn't say anything for ratings, and I want to see that they've been last seen within a week because I want someone to grab my thing. All right, so first thing, I'm going to look here. This is where it says percentage. So this means out of 100 reviews, 40 of the last 100 ratings, 42 of them said that they got sales. So that's great. So 42% out of 100 people that used her solos got sales. So she's charging 49 cents. This one, 39%. This one, 31%. But I saw one I'm very interested in down here. This one, 29, 28, 27. Now this, where is he? This guy right here, this guy is new, and I don't know why he's got this, why his is out of order here, which is interesting. But I think I'm going to try his traffic right here. So what I would do is I would click on his name, and he says he can start May 8th. I don't think, yeah, he can't start any sooner than May 8th. So this is the May 8th one. And for 150 bucks, I can get 300 visitors. Let's see how many he can go. He goes up to 400. So 400, it'll cost me 199. And he's from the Netherlands. So it's 49 cents. And complete turn. No, I want to do the low cost blueprint, right? So this is the one that I want to send. What's this? Oh, for a $400 order, he'll create a custom landing page if you want. So if I wanted to pay another 50 bucks, he could create a custom landing page. I've always used landing pages from my companies, but if you guys wanted to try that, that would be fine. So I'm gonna buy this. I'm just gonna buy this solo right now. So I'm gonna get 400 clicks sent to my link, right? So, and because he's got yeah, so 400 May 8th, and early start allowed. I've got it. I got my card there. I'll just use this. And hopefully my card says yes. Okay, I'm just gonna, here, I'll turn this off. I'll just put my code in. And I'll pay now. And then what you're going to see is they're waiting for Wilfred Baker to accept your order. So there, I just purchased a solo ad, guys. So in May 8th, and possibly earlier, I will start receiving my clicks to that service. Now, cool is that the way that my thing is set up, and you can do exactly the same thing. What will happen is they'll opt in, and then they'll go on to a drip campaign, right? Which I'll give all this stuff to you guys. I'll give you, and I'll help you set everything up if you like. And what it'll do is it'll start dripping them onto them. Now they'll either purchase into that, what I was talking about, the 15-day challenge. And then once they get into the 15-day challenge, they're going to be working with a coach. They're going to be taken through a complete training system. And within that training system, not hard sell, but they are then offered different programs if they want to buy more to get into the business more. That's it. It's really that simple. This is it. The mystery gone. That's exactly how we do it. Now you can buy more. So I don't just get leads from here because I create so much content. I also get leads from other places. I get leads from my Twitter. I get leads from YouTube. Daily, like guys, I get leads, but those are one or two trickles in at a time. When I want to really do a push, and I generally buy anywhere from I'll buy one or two, depending on how much income I've got coming in for that week. I'll buy one or two solos a week. This is the third solo I bought in the last since the beginning of May. So what are we at, the 6th? So I bought 3 solos in 6 days so far. I'll probably buy another probably another 10 during the month. I don't know. Depends on, like, if nothing's converting, maybe I'll be working on content. But why I do this is because I know that that's consistent leads coming into my system, and that way I can work on content knowing that I'm still getting a lot of consistent leads going into the system. Make sense? That's exactly how we do it. So if you guys have any questions, click the link below. I'm gonna put the link below, and you can, I'll put all the links below that you saw in this video, and you can get started. So I'm gonna put the program link in there. I will also put the link to the solo ads, and I will put the link to the tracking device. Now, if you want my copy that I used for that ad, message me, contact me through, go put a comment below, say, hey Glenn, message me or whatever, and then I can send you that copy. Or opt in, or go to the page, right? Go to the page, and once you've opted into my program, just reply back to the first email you get and say, hey Glenn, I want that copy for the solo ad. And then you can do the exact same thing. Now, one thing about this program is, in order to become an affiliate, you do have to go through the training, and usually it's about 2 weeks, but you can shorten to about 10 or 11 days if you really push your coach on it, and then you're able to get your affiliate marketing links and get going on it. So it takes takes a little while to become an affiliate, but it's so worth it, guys. And a lot of people that don't make money don't go through that process. So if you are the smart person, you're going to go through that process. All right, guys. Cheers. Have a good day. Bye.